So one project we did this year in conjunction with DCU was the Stamp Ed project. And this project we focused on visual strategies. So what we had was with the visual strategies was catering to the visual and the kinesthetic learner. So a couple of topics that we felt that were difficult to teach as a maths teacher and a science teacher were things like speed, distance, time and trigonometry, where students get to the end of the year and they find the topic very difficult. Things, Pythagoras theorem, you might remember from school. It's a difficult topic to get your head around. So one thing that I decided to do was to use real-world imagery. So to get the students to go out into places like the playground and the schoolyard and to take pictures and to apply pictures of shapes, triangles, circles, distances, speeds, and to generate their own questions. So because our students had the iPads, they could go out, they could take these pictures, they could store these pictures, they could write over these pictures, and they could generate their own questions to be answered by their peers in their classes. And they could develop their own marking scheme using pages. And when this was all put together, the students had their own questions and their own solutions to a set of questions that would be considered very, very difficult to answer in the traditional form through textbooks. So I suppose it's a different way of how we come up with content. It's a different way of how we ask students to answer questions. And it was a very successful project, and the students seemed to enjoy it, and it showed that the iPad can be used to increase uptake of a concept that was considered difficult.